Serum project is a convention for decentralized trades described by fast and low exchange costs. A totally permissionless task for decentralized finance is based on the high-performing oversight-safe blockchain called Solana. It is an open-source project sent off in July 2020. Helped to establish by Sam Bankman-Fried, who is likewise a pioneer behind FTX. Sam at first established Alameda Research, a digital money exchanging firm. In 2019, he established FTX Subordinate Trade. The Serum project is principally upheld by the Serum establishment and a gathering of cryptographic money specialists. Serum DEX has shaped with the union of Alameda Research, FTX, and Solana establishment. Still, they assist Serum with succeeding in administration. Serum's on-chain focal breaking point request book permits biological system accomplices to share liquidity and power market-based highlights. Clients can make applications that influence the liquidity of the stage and its biological system benefit. Serum is well versed in SPL token resources. It utilizes Solana on the grounds that its bunch benefits incorporate low exchange dormancy, low expenses, high throughput, and security. It upholds almost 50k exchanges each second with a block season of 400 ms. No sharding is expected for the Solana blockchain. Solana has an extension to Ethereum, and it works with a strategy to twofold its ability and enhancements at regular intervals. The foundation of Serum comprises of the accompanying things: Serum tokens, which are utilized to pay for every one of the administrations and administration of Serum project; cross-chain trades by which purchasers can trade resources; robotized full cutoff decentralized request book; Ethereum Solana mix, which permits Serum undertaking to interoperable on both Solana and Ethereum environment; and ERC20 tokens; cross-chain contracts, which permit simple edge position and DEFI on engineered resources. Stage 1 of the Serum project was finished by posting the token on significant trades and carrying out on-chain DEX on Serum. Stage 2 finished up by finishing the objectives of executing Solana cross-chain connecting. Dynamic wallet environment, pools, arrangement of making own wall Serum specialized examination. Serum cost today is exchanging at $2.63 with 24-hour volume of $144,641,678.02. The all-out market cap is $350,745,995.39 with a complete stockpile of 1,092,844,982 SRM. Coursing supply of Serum is 133,231,781 SRM. The most exorbitant cost of Serum SRM at which it is exchanged is $13.72 on September 11, 2021. And the least cost of Serum SRM is $0.11, which was on Aug 2020, soon after the send-off of Serum digital money. Specialized examination information on the week-by-week diagram shows that after the unequaled high, the SRM is in a descending pattern. After a negative twofold top example, finding support couldn't. The extreme selling pressure, the cost of Serum SRM looked after the unsurpassed high has beaten Serum SRM value expectation to another bullish track. The Serum cost increment was gone on for the following 5 exchanging meetings with an enormous volume expansion, which gave a decent revisitation of financial backers and contacted an unsurpassed high Serum cost. With the conspicuous Serum cost drop from $12 to $7, financial backers has lost over 40% soon. The weighty disarray of the drop has never affirmed a course and pattern. From September 2021 onwards, cost is hanging somewhere in the range of $9 and $5. Volume is likewise extremely less come about because of the debasement of significant worth. Investigation of AMA shows that the Serum cost is over 20 AMA and 200 AMA. The exchanging cost and 50 AMA are both nearly at a similar spot. Financial backers and merchants can think for venture at this point. From November 2021, first week onwards, SRM again broke the computation. Information shows it can't quickly return from the anticipated help levels. Serum cost pattern shows that after each 2 major negative candles there is level exchanging for the following couple of meetings. Unfit to find support, which again made a negative red flame. Correlation of the most recent 3 weeks showed a similar pattern in SRM. Investigation of the Bollinger Band shows that start of November 2021, bears have won the back and forth totally and candles began exchanging beneath the center line of the Bollinger Band. In any event, falling underneath the lower levels. Specialized examination of opposition and backing levels shows Serum cost has broken a large portion of the significant help levels with practically no cost rise. Serum SRM cost is presently exchanging a significant help zone. The zone comprises of help at $2.13 and $1.60. According to Cost Forecast, their serum cost expectation expresses that with a market cap of $350,745,995.39, the most extreme cost in the following 5 years can be $15.25. The base cost can be $13.40, and the typical cost can be $13.77. Serum cost expectation says the 5-year serum conjecture proposes the cost can go as high as $2.79 constantly and the typical cost can be somewhere near $2.45. Serum SRM value expectation 2022 to 2026. A considerable lot of the nations are making arrangements for guideline over digital money. India is arranging a crypto bill to execute, same way most recent news is coming on the guideline of coins. Yet, the market cap of advanced coins showing blended patterns for the beyond couple of days. This is basic, in which new financial backers need to go into advanced resources for venture. However, specialists are stressed over their residents that they are placing cash in the dangerous resource classes. The interest for cryptographic money profoundly relies upon worldwide signals and the news emerging from various corners of the world. Deft innovation in the crypto business is standing out and parent organizations are rivaling one another. However, the circumstance winning across the world is somewhat disputable. Crypto sweethearts are as yet certain about the future public acknowledgement of digital money. Investigating the information representing things to come. Cost of serum. A large portion of the tokens are anticipated to give a decent return. The situation can be addressed exclusively by effective money management and hanging tight for an additional 5 years. However, it is consistently essential to contribute with a comprehension of tokens. The following part examines the serum estimate for the following 5-year time frame. Serum Value Forecasts 2022. Serum Value Forecast predicts serum to reach $3.65 by half of the year and a limit of $3.56 before the year's over, barring minor redresses. Least worth anticipated is $3.18. Serum Value Conjecture 2023. Expect a future cost of $4.07 by the center of the year. The most extreme worth anticipated is $4.15, breaking it at its untouched high and going to a beneficial speculation. SRM Coin Value Conjecture 2024. Serum Coin Conjecture starts at a value level of $3.59. The base incentive for the year is $3.19. In the last 50% of the year, a most extreme worth of $4.40 is assumed in view of the serum figure calculation. SRM Coin Value Forecast 2025. SRM Coin Gauge ideally searching for a crisp opening for January 2025. 5 years throughout the time period, serum is beginning with at least $4.51. Examination for future expects serum will contact $5.50 by July 2025. A further increment is anticipated with a most extreme cost of $5.60. Consequently, long haul forecast has a ton of assumptions in the presentation of the coin. This serum value expectation depends on a drawn-out calculation thinking about current levels. They will exceptionally rely upon the presentation of the organization and cryptographic money market across the world. SRM Value Forecast 2026 and then some. There may be amendments seen in the year 2026 when contrasted with 2025. As per our serum cost gauge in view of past information, the coin is anticipated to stretch around a base worth of